Alright guys, let me try and show you this milling, this modification. Nothing's rehearsed. I got it centered on the hole. See what we can do. Okay, let me feed you with the knee. Okay. You get a 0. There's a 0. $10. $20,000. Alright, there's 30,000 deep. You know, let me grab a paintbrush. So you can see what I'm doing. See where to stop, right? Should be enough. Go back. There's 30 thousandths. There's the beginning. I think. Yep. You can go a little deeper. So that's 30. $40. $50. Alright, there's 60. $100,000 to travel. $200,000 to travel. There's 300,000. I'm almost there. Let me go 313. 310. There you go. 313. Hit the brakes. Oh yeah. Baby, baby. 1/16 deep. I think that's going to be living large. Plenty good. Dude. I can see it lines up with just the edge of that situation there, the existing mark. Man, I love that. Man, success. Dreamland. I'm living in dreamland. How far can I go? Oops. Right? Oops. Oh yeah. You like the way you look. I guarantee it. Oops, I don't like that. I don't like that. Anyhow, that's what that is, right? Holy schnickerdoodles. It's what it is. It's what it is, brothers. And, you know, I get excited about little doofy stuff like this, but this was the cause of that lubrication to not get where it needed to go. Right? Heck yeah. So, back up. Like I said, I got the V-way in there and the T-slot, and I packed up this side, the old Bridgeport. Oh, the poor man's digital readout. I didn't want to mess with the dials, right? I mean, yeah, everybody messes with this one, but you know, I had this. I threw it on, and it's just a kind of a mag base, Lufkin mag base, and I just did that because I can. Body da da. So, you know, I tell you guys, the Vice is a luxury, right? Where it's at is bolting stuff to the table. I mean, that's where it's at. That's where the real, you know, I don't know if it's more skilled, but I don't know. It's more basic and primitive and whatever. But this mill, I love this mill. This thing is tight. I got this from Voland Electric in Buffalo, New York, 15 years ago, maybe even longer than that. Yes, it's been longer than that. Yeah, way over 15 years ago. And I still haven't painted the bottom, but anyhow, like I said, the table, everything, the ways are smooth, everything moves great. I put a new bronze nut in it, Acme nut. Anyhow, I love going off topic, but I talk a lot when I'm happy, right? So that was the good side, and that was the terrible side, and we got it milled to perfection, right? This thing's just dirty, and the paint's coming off, and all right. So I'm gonna tear this down, put it in the parts washer, clean it up, and move on to the next one. Hope you enjoyed that.